Welcome the students in science class. Class 9, Unit 9, Chemical Reaction. Topics: Chemical reaction, word equation, chemical equation, balance chemical equation, method of writing balanced chemical equation, information obtained from balanced chemical equation, exothermic and endothermic reaction, catalyst. Chemical reaction. The process of forming products from the reactants is called chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is expressed in chemical equation. Reactants gives products. A plus B gives AB. Reactants. The chemical compounds which take part in chemical reaction is called reactants. Example: A and B are reactant. Products. The chemical compounds formed after chemical reaction is called products. Example: AB is product. Word equation. The representation of chemical reaction in word form is called word equation. Example: hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Chemical equation. The representation of chemical reaction in symbol or molecular formula is called chemical equation. Example: S2 plus O2 gives S2O. Balanced chemical equation. The chemical equation in which the corresponding elements in reactant side and product side is equal is called balanced chemical equation. Example: 2S2 plus O2 gives 2S2O. Reactants are hydrogen and oxygen. Product is water. Method of writing balanced chemical equation. Molecular formula of reactant and product must be written correctly. The subscript of molecular formula is written as it is. Suitable coefficients of molecular formula is written with heat and trial method. Information obtained from balanced chemical equation. Name and molecular formula of reactant and product. Number of molecules of reactant and product. Ratio of molecular weight of reactants and products. Type of chemical reaction. Some balanced chemical reaction. Reaction 1. Word equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Chemical equation. S2 plus O2 gives S2O. Balanced chemical equation. 2S2 plus O2 gives 2S2O. Reaction 2. Word equation. Nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia. Chemical equation. N2 plus S2 gives NH3. Balanced chemical equation. N2 plus 3S2 gives 2NH3. Reaction 3. Word equation. Sodium plus chlorine, sodium chloride. Chemical equation. Na plus Cl2 gives NaCl. Balanced chemical equation. 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. Reaction 4. Word equation. Calcium carbonate heating gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Chemical equation. CaCO3 on heating gives CaO plus CO2. Balanced chemical equation. CaCO3 on heating gives CaO plus CO2. Reaction 5. Word equation. Potassium chlorate heating with MnO2 gives potassium chloride plus oxygen. Chemical equation: KClO3 heating with MnO2 gives KCl plus O2. Balanced chemical equation: 2KClO3 on heating with MnO2 gives 2KCl plus 3O2. Reaction 6. Word equation: zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Chemical equation: Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus S2. Balanced chemical equation: Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus S2. Reaction 7. Word equation: calcium plus sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate plus hydrogen. Chemical equation: Ca plus H2SO4 gives CaSO4 plus S2. Balanced chemical equation: Ca plus H2SO4 gives CaSO4 plus S2. Reaction 8. Word equation: hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride plus water. Chemical equation: HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Balanced chemical equation: HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Reaction 9. Word equation: nitric acid plus potassium hydroxide gives potassium nitrate plus water. Chemical equation: HNO3 plus KOH gives KNO3 plus H2O. Balanced chemical equation: HNO3 plus KOH gives KNO3 plus H2O. Reaction 10. Word equation: sodium chloride plus silver nitrate gives silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. Chemical equation: NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Balanced chemical equation: NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Endothermic reaction. The chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Example: 2KClO3 plus heat with MnO2 gives 2KCl plus 3O2. 2NaCl plus heat gives 2Na plus Cl2. Exothermic reaction. The chemical reaction in which heat is expelled out is called exothermic reaction. Example: C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat. Zethian plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus S2 plus heat. Catalyst. The chemical substance which changes the rate of chemical reaction without reacting itself is called catalyst. Example: manganese dioxide, MnO2, glycerin, etc. Positive catalyst. The catalyst which increases the rate of chemical reaction is called positive catalyst. 2KClO3 plus heat with MnO2 gives 2KCl plus 3O2. Manganese dioxide, MnO2, is positive catalyst because it increases the rate of chemical reaction. Negative catalyst. The catalyst which decreases the rate of chemical reaction is called negative catalyst. 2S2O2 with glycerin gives 2S2O plus O2. Glycerin is negative catalyst. Characteristics of catalyst. The amount of catalyst does not change. It increases or decreases rate of chemical reaction.